In order to enable and use voice chat in Roblox, you need to follow the steps that I'm going to take you through in this video. So first things first, I'm going to have a pinned comment down below this video with all of the frequently asked questions and things that you may be running into that prevent you from enabling voice chat on your account. The first thing you need to do is open up and log into your account. This will work on mobile or desktop. Once you're here, go to More to open up all of the options and then scroll down to where you see Settings or the gear icon right down below. The first thing you want to do is open up Account Info, which should be towards the top. Once you're here under Account Info, you want to go ahead and verify a phone number. So right there where it says phone number, go ahead and hit the pencil icon to insert a phone number as you see here, and you'll receive a code to that specific number that you will have to insert into the Roblox account to go ahead and verify that number. You should see a gray badge with a check mark that says verified once you've done so. So that's step number one. Number two, you have to verify your age, and you have to verify it one of two ways. Down here under the same information, under account info, you should see your age group, your birthday, all of that information should be right here down below. Now, you can verify this by either opening up the selfie camera or by uploading your actual ID, whether that be a driver's license or whatever it may be. Now, just know if you use the selfie camera, it'll use AI, and if you look younger than you are, you may go ahead and get it to automatically change your birthday, thus removing voice chat from your account. So just be careful of that. Once you've done that, this is another step. If you are on mobile, let's say you're on an iPhone or an Android device, you're going to want to open up the Settings app. So go ahead and go to Settings on your device and go down to Apps and find Roblox. You want to go down to Roblox because you need to enable the microphone on your device while using Roblox. Allow Roblox to access. My microphone access is turned off. I want to tap that, enable it over to the right, make sure it's greened out, and it'll look very similar on Android as well. So make sure you go to Settings, go to Roblox, and enable the microphone. Once you've done that, close out of Roblox completely and then reopen it once you've done all of those steps that I've just mentioned. Now, a couple of things. Voice chat is restricted in certain regions. So you may be 38 and it doesn't matter. Your region has restricted voice communication on Roblox. Also, not all experiences and games have access to voice chat. So if we go into a specific game like this one here, we can scroll down and look at the description here, and where it says voice chat, it says supported right there next to that experience. Not all games on Roblox are actually enabled to support voice chat. So make sure if you're running into issues that it does support voice chat by just scrolling down quickly, just letting you know that. And then when you're in a game like I am here, in the upper left-hand corner, you should see a microphone with a line through it. If we tap that microphone, that enables voice chat. If we tap it again, that disables it. Just letting you know what it looks like once you're in a game that supports it. If you have any questions, check the pinned comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.